Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be going over and installing our new Elite Series fog lamps on this 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. Our Elite Series fog lamps were designed to be the first OE-style fogs to provide a true upgrade in performance, while also giving your Crosstrek a more modern and aggressive appearance compared to the chrome reflector housings from the factory. Elite Series fogs are the widest aftermarket fog lamps on the market, producing an industry-leading 80-degree spread. What really sets these lamps apart are the patent-pending optic, which delivers an extremely sharp cutoff that meets SAE F3 standards and features a unique BMW-style color banding. When you combine this with the multi-die automotive emitters inside, Elite Series fogs deliver 188% more output than the Crosstrek's factory bulbs. Our Elite Series fog lamps are available in two different color options: 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow. And all Elite Series fogs come standard with a distinctive amber backlight. This gives you an additional accent light along with the main beam for a unique modern look. You'll notice our Elite Series fogs are constructed of OEM grade materials, including a precision aluminum casting, UV coated outer lens, and a copper PCB inside. We're proud to say these lamps are not imported. Unlike many options on the market, these are designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and backed by an industry-leading 8-year warranty. Our engineers have CAD designed these lamps to be a direct, bolt-on, plug-and-play fitment with an integrated aiming adjustment that requires no assembly or modification, and we'll show you how to install them now. To start our installation, we'll turn the wheel to the right so we can gain access to the back of the bumper. Using our trim removal tool, we're going to remove 2 plastic push clips on the back of the bumper. Moving underneath the vehicle, we'll have 6 more plastic clips to remove. Next, we need to pull down the under tray so we can remove one 10mm bolt. Now that we have access to the back of the fog light, we can disconnect the factory fog lamp harness. Then we'll need to remove one 10mm bolt and 1 plastic clip. Then we can slide our factory fog lamp out of place. Now we can install our Elite Series fog lamp by reversing the same steps we just used to remove the factory fog lamp. Taking our Elite Series fog lamp, we can slide it in place. Then we can reinsert our plastic clip and fasten our 10mm bolt. Taking our DT connector, we can plug it into the back of our Elite Series fog lamp. And then we can take the other end and plug it into the factory fog lamp harness. And then route your backlight wire up into the engine bay. For this vehicle, we'll be tapping our backlight wire to our side marker. To do this, we'll need to reach in, twist counterclockwise, and pull it out into the engine bay. For this vehicle, we'll be tapping our backlight wire to our orange power wire. We'll be adding a small relief cut so we can pull back the sheathing and have more room to work. We can now take our T-tap and clamp it onto our power wire and secure it using a pair of pliers. Next, we can take our backlight wire and plug it into our T-tap. With our backlight tapped, we can now reinstall our side marker. You can now secure any excess wiring up and out of the way from any hot or moving parts using a zip tie. Lastly, we'll need to make our final aiming adjustments using a Phillips head screwdriver. To raise the light, we'll need to tighten the adjustment screw. To lower the light, we'll need to loosen the adjustment screw. With our Elite Series fog lamp installed, we can now re-secure our fender liner and then repeat the same steps to complete the installation on the passenger side of the vehicle. With a set of our Elite Series fogs installed, not only will you benefit from an increase in performance, but you'll also have a new aggressive style to your Crosstrek. If you're looking for Elite Series fog lamps for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.